once balik ko itong channel, please mag-like at subscribe mo. Kung magsayaw din ko. Ba't mo? Sayaw? Ano tayo saya? Sayaw ba? Sayaw. Mag-like at subscribe mo ah. Nakalimutin mag-share. One day, kung mag-like at subscribe, I'll give you 3 Robux. It's a deal. If you subscribe, I will give you Robux. Only I give you Robux if you subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna put some stuff. I'm gonna put the name of like a subscribe. Subscribe more, I'll give you Robux. I promise. Then don't forget to share. Of course, you love the video. You know my videos is looking well. But next year, next 10 years, I will make a new YouTube channel. Including now, Chris Block. Chris Block is the Roblox. On next 10 years or 2 years or next year, okay? And there's Chad, if you want Chad Block, and the next year I'll make it. Okay? Here, but if only you subscribe and I give you Robux for free, but there's only one deal. Please subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you something. It's a prank. I'm really gonna learn cooking. First, guys, how to I've been making with Chad Rock, Chadman, and my cousin. We can make chicken sandwich. Chris blocks.
Wala na ka!
Chris Diet. Never eat junk food.